and in this video we are discussing about Laravel Crud example. So in last few videos you have seen how to insert the data, you have also seen how to display and how to edit, and in this video, the final video, you will see how to delete the record. So if you click on this delete button, then you can see it is going to this with this ID. Okay, so what we need to do is that we will go to here and actually this time this function will work there. So if you want to see, then simply write here delete, okay, to check if this is being called. If you click on this, then you can see this function is being called here. So here we will write a very small brief code snippet which will do our task. So here under this product it will display delete finding its ID. After deleting it will show product deleted successfully. Now let's get back here and refresh it once and then click on any of the delete button. So if you want to see that what is inside this, okay, so if I just comment this and print here dd, here you put this and then just click on delete, and you see the magic. So here you can see these are the fields, okay, and all the details are coming here. So what happens here, this ID matches here, and based on that the data is deleted. So now if you refresh it, then the first data will be deleted. Okay, it got deleted and you get this message successfully. Now if you click, so let's add one more. Okay, now if you delete, once again it can be deleted. So that's it in this video. So this CRUD operation, insert, update and delete, complete section has been completed in this video. So if you have any comments, then please mention in your comment box. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.